Hello, my name is Magda. I'm going to show you how to set up interactive wall with Motioncube using Orbbec Astra Pro Depth camera. The first thing we will do, we will check if our camera is working. Go to Settings, Advanced, enter Service Mode, 4 zeros, and select the camera tool. We already have some view from our camera, so it's connected, good. But if you don't see anything here, check if you have configured supported devices. For Orbbec Astra, you need to check the Orbbec Astra Depth stream. And then you need to select your camera, Orbbec Astra. We can see that our image is upside down. It's because our camera is also mounted upside down. We need to flip the image using these features. Flip horizontally and flip vertically. And now you can see that I'm in the right position regarding the table and the view from the camera. Let's leave. Switch off the service mode. And now we are going to run auto camera calibration that will detect only the projection area automatically. So we need to run this and leave the interaction area empty. It takes a few seconds to calibrate it. We are back to the menu. And now we need to again go to the camera tool for specific setup for the wall. We can see that the interaction area was detected properly. We can see the yellow trapezoid in this preview. It's okay, we can leave as it is. And now we want to run additional calibration, change camera filters. Here you have two things to be done. One is to select work mode. For the wall, you need to select single frame object detection mode for the bouncing balls interaction technique. Okay. And just press auto calibrate or params. And it's done. Super. You can see that my hand in a specified range is detected as an object. In the work mode single frame, we use the range specified for the detection. So it won't detect me here, the camera, but only in the specified distance from the surface. And that's we need for the balls. Now we will try to run some games. Let's take one of the games from the competitive mode. I will use plastic balls used in the dry pools. In this game you need to have arranged one line with one color. Who did it first is the winner. You can bother each other by changing the colors. Yeah. And again. Okay, the blue one is the winner. Now I will show you our installation. How we have mounted the projector and the camera. It's quite simple. It's a top sailing mount. The projector is mounted to the ramp and the camera is just above the projector. The image is projected on our mobile table and that's all.